Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me LG Q70 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, turn the back cover off if you have, and then take the brush in your hand and insert one part of the brush into the connector, and just try to pry the dirt out. Great! That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!